And manly hearts to guide the fair. Rule, Britannia, Britannia, rule the waves. Britain never, never, never shall be slaves. Rule, Britannia, Britannia, rule the waves. Britons never, never, never shall be slaves.
Bravo! Bravo!
Encore! Encore! Why don't you shut up? That's all. That's all.
Thank you, Commander. I found that most stirring. Most stirring indeed.
Really?
Well, all these young things, singing.
Yes, well, I think the lads at the starboard watch stay better together on the whole, but it's their night for shore leave, you know.
Oh, yes. Well, perhaps another program can be arranged.
Oh, well, as to that, Miss Marple,
Yes, it can. Next year.
Oh, thank you.
Not at all. I take it you're satisfied with what you've seen.
Well, I must say, Captain, everything seems to be ship-shape and Bristol fashion.
I'm glad to hear you say it. Mind you, I expected no less. It's been a long day. How about a nightcap before you turn in?
Very good idea.
Good. Right, dismiss.
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 Dismiss!
Well, we've enjoyed your visit tremendously, madam. It's been a great fillip de morale.
Thank you, Captain. But there is one thing that disturbs me.
What's that?
I can't for the life of me think what it was so upset Folly Hardwick after his visit here.
Upset? What about, Miss Marple?
Well, unfortunately, the poor man passed over before he was able to pass on whatever it was that was on his mind.
We had hubble bubble that day.
Hubble bubble?
It's, you know, a mixture of baked beans and leftovers.
Oh, so that's what you call it.
Well, even the boys loathe it. I suppose he did, too.
I'm rather fond of it myself. Mind you, there's no accounting for taste. Well, you got that cleared up. Nice to get these things cleared up. Would you please sit down?
Thank you.
There. Now, may I say, on behalf of all of us, how sorry we will be to see you leaving in the morning.
Oh, how nice of you to say that, Captain. I had no idea you would have welcomed my staying on. The inconvenience, I mean.
Madam, there has been none involved. As a matter of fact, it would have been splendid for you to have stayed with us as long as you wished.
Then say no more, Captain. I stay.
Good.
Stuart?
Yes, ma'am.
You know. Captain?
Yes, madam.
As a measure of my appreciation, and with your permission, of course, I should like to give the order.
What?
Stuart, splice the main brace. Thank you. Thank you, Captain.
Thank you, sir.
No, not for me. If you don't mind, ma'am, I don't really care for the stuff. I think I'll turn in.
Oh, well. Captain,
Yes, madam.
ladies and gentlemen, the good ship Battledore.
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 And now, if you'll excuse me, I think I'll retire. Good night, everyone. See you all in the morning.
How the devil did that happen?
I'm very much afraid so. You more or less invited us to stay.
Who's talking to you?
But you did, Captain.
Did I?
Yes.
Did I?
I fear it's rather a case of being outmaneuvered, sir.
Outmaneuvered? Me? Outmaneuvered?
Well, you'll notice the champagne was already laid on, sir.
Already laid on. What's her little